Imagine if we've been so wrong all this time. It's not about small details, not just one or two mistakes. It's about a complete image that's been ingrained in people's minds. For decades, dinosaurs as ferocious monsters, ferocious rulers, symbols of past horrors. Yet, science is slowly whispering something far more disturbing and perhaps even more surprising when we trace the lives of dinosaurs, not through movies or myths, but through ancient rocks, fragile fossils, and footprints frozen in time. That image begins to crack. Dinosaurs, it turns out, lived in a world that wasn't as simple as the strong prey on the weak. Their world was complex, orderly, and oddly very much alive. Let's start with how they ate. Not all dinosaurs were predators. In fact, most were herbivores. They spent their days grazing on vast plains, plucking off the fronds of giant ferns, and chewing on tough plants with specially evolved teeth. Some species even had digestive systems similar to those of modern birds, complete with small stones in their stomachs to help break down food. There was no ferocity here, just the routine of survival, day after day, season after season. Then there's the matter of movement. Fossil research shows that many dinosaurs didn't live alone. They moved in groups, covering long distances depending on seasonal changes and food availability. Footprints found neatly arranged in ancient rocks are silent evidence of coordinated movement. Smaller individuals walked in the center, surrounded by larger ones. This pattern is too precise to be accidental. It was strategy, it was protection. But the most moving part came when scientists discovered the nest. Neatly arranged dinosaur eggs. Fossilized young dinosaurs nestled near their mothers. These were not creatures that simply abandoned their offspring. Some species are thought to have guarded their nests, fed their young, and even protected them until they were strong enough. The image of the feeling monster crumbles at this point. And nature? Nature wasn't their enemy, it was their home. Dinosaurs adapted to climate change, rising and falling sea levels, and even continental drift. Their bodies changed slowly over millions of years, adapting to temperature, diet, and environment. They weren't overlords forcing nature to submit, but rather part of a much larger system. The deeper we dig, the clearer one thing becomes. Dinosaurs weren't scary legends. They were living creatures with patterns, habits, and strategies, like gazelles on the savannah, like migrating birds, like elephants caring for their calves. Why are we so eager to see them as monsters? The answer lies not in ancient times, but in our own time. Humans need symbols of fear. We transform dinosaurs into beasts to make the past seem wilder, more primitive, and to make ourselves seem more advanced. Yet, the more science lifts the veil, the more an uncomfortable truth emerges. Like and subscribe for interesting fact world history.